outcome based education which we have followed, I am going to present, sir. Already I explained how COs we are going to form. Now I am going to explain the procedure of, sir, are you hearing, sir, my presentation? Hello? Hello,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, okay, sir. I'll continue.
Continue.
Procedure for attaining level of course. So here, for attainment of COs, which we are following method I am explaining you, sir. End semester question papers, internal question papers, and assignment questions, and how many marks they have secured in end semester exam, internal exam, and assignment. So attainment of each CO has been calculated, and there is a threshold. So threshold we can compare. If threshold crossed, then compare with the previous years, and if necessary, set higher target. If no, suggest the actions to for improvement of CO for the next year. Here, this is mid one, sir. Mid one, percentage of marks. How many marks are contributing to CO1 from mid one? Like that, 2. That means first, our mid question paper contains 5 questions, sir. First question is 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, and from second question, AB, 2 sub questions will be there, sir. Each question is carrying some marks and which CO they are contributing. I have shown it here, sir, for water resource engineering 2 subject. This is mid one. So totally 15% of marks are contributed from mid one and mid two for CO1. 20% of marks contributed to CO2. 15% of marks contributed to CO3, 15% of marks contributed to CO4, and 35% of marks contributed to CO5. So totally 100%, sir. Coming to end exam question paper is having 7 questions. The first question, 7 sub questions will be there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and from second question onwards, 2 sub questions will be there, sir. Here also I have posted how many marks are contributing to CO1, CO2, CO3, all the questions, and here percentages I have calculated. 18.37 percentage of marks contributed to CO1, 16.33 marks contributed to CO2 from end exam. So like this is totally 100%, sir. Now this is end exam percentage of marks, internal exam percentage of marks, assignment percentage of marks. Based on that, weighted average has been calculated by taking weights of marks. Actually, weights of marks from end exam 70%, that is 0.7. Internal test, it is 0.25, and assignment 0.05, 5% weightage will be there. So by considering all these weightages, 18.37 into 0.7, 15 into 0.25, 20 into 0.05. So this is the average weightage we are calculating. The weight average of CO1 is evaluated like this, sir, 17.61. You can see here, this is 17.61. How we have calculated here, this explanation. Next, coming to CO attainment of each student. For jth student of ith CO attainment, how we are going to calculate is CO attainment of particular student, that is percentage of marks of end exam into weightage of how many marks he got in the end exam. So, and this is for internal marks and this is for assignment divided by weighted average. So particularly, I will show the next slide here. Water resource engineering 2, all the students, totally 138 students, are particularly one student I will take. He got assignment. First, the second column is assignment marks, third column is internal marks, fourth column is end exam marks. The 103 student, 16091A0103 student, I am going to explain. He got 5 marks in assignment. He got 22 marks in internal exam. He got 48 marks in end exam. Here I have calculated like this, sir. For that student, that is 16091A0103, 18.37 is the percentage of marks of end exam. He got 48 marks. 15% of mid exam, he got 22 marks in the mid exam, and 20% assignment percentage, and 5 marks he got. So totally divided by weighted average of that CO1. He got CO attainment is 74. So this is 74 he got, sir, CO attainment. This is the one I'm showing it here. 16091A03. He got 74 as CO1 attainment. That example I have shown, sir. So totally 138 students are there in that water resource engineering to third year students. So totally here I am showing how many students got 50% of attainment. 82 students, sir. CO1. Between 30 to 50, 39 students. Below 30, 17 students. So I have given weightages like this. 50% attainment, whoever got, I have given weightage is 3, 30 to 52, and 30 below 30 it is 1. Now, CO attainment has been evaluated by number of students having CO attainment greater than or equal to 50 divided by total number of students into 100. That is 82 students, CO1 82 divided by total number of students 138 into 100 is equal to 59 is the CO1 attainment for that batch, sir. So we have put some thresholds. Second year 50 is the threshold, third year 55 is the threshold, fourth year 60 is the threshold. Now this subject belongs to third year, sir. 55 threshold. So all the CO attainments we got 59 and the threshold value is 55. So all the COs have been attained. So that's why I am showing here, sir. Why? Yes. Now coming to project evaluation. Project evaluation, internal 33%, external 67%. Here we have framed one CO, sir. Understand and identify problems in civil engineering and find new or innovative solution with concern to safety, sustainability, environment and ethical issues by using modern software tools, equipment, by coordinating with the group members. So that this CO we have written such a way that all the POs and PSOs are going to be mapped equally, sir. And rubrics what we have followed for evaluating the project works: selection of topic 10 marks. That is, we have observed how socially, ethically awareness of this project and how the development of project plan and distribution of work, how they have done. So for that 10 marks we have given. Performance of the task 35 marks. That is teamwork, technical skills, content knowledge, practical knowledge. Together 35 marks given. And for writing skills 25 marks. Review, presentation, oral communication, understanding 20 marks, understanding of the engineering core 10 marks. So this is the method of evaluation we have followed for project evaluation, sir. Now I am going to give you the course attainment values of 2016 batch, where when they were in second year first semester, these are all the attainment values, CO attainment values for different subjects, sir. Threshold is 50. For crossed I have put yes, for not crossed I have put no here. So this is for 2016 batch second year first semester. This is 2016 batch second year second semester. Here 2016 batch third year first semester and 2016 batch third year second semester. I have explained for water resource engineering to, sir. This is the attainment I have explained. Now this is for fourth year. So this is regarding CO attainment, sir. Coming to PO attainment, we have followed one particular method, that is CO score evaluation, which I have already shown. 50% of students crossing CO attainment 50, weightage is 3 given. 30 to 52 is given weightage, and less than 31 is weightage given. So that is, we have grouped the students as N1, N2, N3, sir. Total number of students N is equal to N1 plus N2, N3. Here, for same subject, I am showing here, sir. Above 50%, the weight is 3. CO1 is 82, CO2 is 82, CO3 is 82. So all 82 attainments are there, CO attainments. So like that, in the band, in whatever the weightage I have given, 39 students are there in CO1. So, and the weightage 117 students are there. The CO score we have calculated based on this equations are, that is now 3 into, that is 3 weightage 80 students are there, and 2 weightage 39 students are there, 1 weightage 17 students are there. Total number of students is divided by 138 is CO score is 2.47, sir. So like that, for all CO score we have calculated. After calculating the CO score, PO attainment calculated like this, sir. All the COs written here, CO scores we have written here, and PO, that is program articulation matrix, I am showing it here, sir. Now coming to PO2 attainment that is 2.49. I can explain you with the help of this equation, sir. Here, CO score is CO1 2.47 into 3, 2.5 into 3, 2.5 into 2, 2.5 into 3, 2.48 into 3 divided by total weightage is 14, sir, the PO2. So divided by 14 is 2.49. 2.49 is the attainment level of PO2, sir. Like that for all the POs we have calculated. This is for water resource engineering too. Like that for all the courses we have done. Now I am showing PO attainment for 2016 batch, second year attainment levels of PO, and third year 2016 batch attainment levels of PO, fourth year 2016 batch attainment levels of PO. Here total batch PO attainments I am showing it here, sir, in blue color. Now coming to this is direct assessment we have done. Coming to indirect assessment. Indirect assessment, three things, that is one is placements, exit survey and alumni survey. Here I am showing the weightages how I have taken for placements. I am showing it, sir. Greater than 50% placement given weightage 3, between 30 to 50% 2, less than 30% 1. Here last 3 batches, how many students registered, how many students got placement, based on that percentage of placements we have seen, sir. For 2016 batch, it is crossing 50%, so PO attainment, PO PSO attainment is 3 based on placements. Coming to exit and alumni survey, which terminology we are following, I have shown it here, sir. This is the weightages, responses which our students have given for POs and PSOs. If they are strongly agree, 3 we have given. For agree, 2.4, neutral 1.8, disagree 1.2, strongly agree 0.6. Now here, this is the example I am showing, sir, for exit survey. Totally 110 students participated for 2016 batch, and 14 students strongly agreed for PO1, 78 students agreed for PO1, and neutral 17 students, disagree 1, and strongly disagree 0. So based on this equation, we have calculated PO1 attainment, PO1 attainment, this is PO2 attainment, 3, sir, 3 into 10, 2.4 into 75. This is strongly agree 3 into 10, agree 2.4 into 75, and neutral 1.8 into 23. Next, disagree 1.2 into 1, strongly disagree 0.6 into 1. So totally divided by total number of students 110. PO attainment 2 is 2.3, sir, from exit survey. Same method followed for alumni survey also. Here how many students have given alumni survey, based on that weightages have been given and calculated PO attainment 2.38, sir. So now here in this slide I am showing indirect attainment consolidated. That is exit survey we have considered, placement and higher studies we have considered, alumni survey we have considered. Average I am showing indirect batch attainments I have shown it here. And here 2016 batch overall attainment. In overall attainment, direct attainment will come, indirect attainment will come. The overall attainment is for PO1 is 2.6. Like that PO2 is 2.58. And we have put a target 75% of on scale 3 is the target level we have fixed, that is 2.25. For almost all the POs it has been increased, that is for batch it has been increased. But if you see particular subject, some of the subjects the PO attainments are less. For that some actions we have taken, sir. So this is the total PO and PSO attainments of 2016 batch. I am showing it here. Now how remedial actions we have taken, I am showing it here in this slide, sir. Here the levels and performance quality. PO PSO less than 1.5 unsatisfactory we are considering. That is 2.25 is our target level. Up to 2.25, 1.5 and 2.25 satisfactory, marginal expectations. Between 2.25 and 2.7 good, meets some expectations. Greater than 2.7 and 3 excellent, exceeds expectations. See, I am showing one example, sir, here. PO1. PO1 is target is 2.25, and batch attainment we got 2.6 for 2016 batch, which in the SAR NBA has asked. So here the overall PO has been achieved for a given batch. However, it was observed that for certain subjects, PO attainment was below the target level and was not achieved and suitable actions were taken for its attainment. Those subjects listed here. Second year fluid mechanics, the attainment is PO attainment 2.13, which is less than 2.25. HHM, hydraulics and hydraulic machinery 2.17, concrete technology 2.18, geotechnical engineering third year 2.115, geotechnical engineering 2.17, like that. Fourth year green buildings 1.8. So like that, less PO attainment we got. For that, I am showing the example for two subjects. Fluid mechanics, we have taken three actions, sir. Action 1 is visualization of fundamentals through NPTEL videos have been carried out so that the application of concept was understood properly. Action 2 is 3D pictures of the concepts were shown to the students. Action 3 is various pressure measuring and discharge measurement instruments were shown to the students physically. Coming to hydraulic and hydraulic machines, action 1 is students were explained the fundamentals through NPTEL videos for better understanding. Action 2 is students were taken to the laboratory for better understanding of hydraulic machines and structures. Action 3 is field visit was conducted to Auk Reservoir complex for the students along with the faculties, so that the students make understand about the dimensional and model analysis topic. There is one chapters are dimensional and model analysis. So the students can understand better way by seeing the prototype. These are all the actions. So for all the subjects we have carried out the actions. Here I am showing one subject, sir. So this is